This is the Family 5 at 5 for tonight. A little special, a little different. I have my friend Grant Price on Zoom, and I asked him if for tonight he'll do a little magic trick. He's an illusionist, magician, gifted. He loves Jesus very much and travels all over the world doing different shows for huge venues, little venues. He's incredible. So, Grant, what's up, man?
Hey, man. I have a little trick for you.
All right. Show it to me.
Yeah. We're just going to do one. It's a little harder to do since we're not in person, but you just have to trust me. No camera tricks or anything like that.
Okay. I trust you. I don't have anything set up. Okay.
There is the problem. Okay, so we have a couple of decisions that we're going to make. We'll use this deck of cards here in a second. But before we do that, we'll start with the smaller decisions. This trick, basically, I'm always interested. When you make a choice, any choice, you eliminate all of the other options by doing that, right? By extension. So if I have a red and a blue poker chip and I ask you to pick one, you're obviously eliminating the other one, whichever one you don't choose, right? It kind of goes without being said, but I find much more fascinating than the one you choose. I find it much more fascinating the one that you don't choose. So we're more concerned with the elimination in this case, okay? So Bobby, your choice. I have a black bag here. This just represents the eliminations. So I just want you to name one that you want me to eliminate, the red or the blue poker chip.
Red.
Red. And so we put that one in the bag. Again, what I'm concerned with is the elimination. So we've got red as the eliminated choice, okay? And then I have numbers. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see these numbers on the chips?
Yeah, I see them.
Okay, so either way, they're numbered 1 through 13, okay? So you can name any number 1 through 13, and this is also the one you're eliminating, the one we're focused on. So any one of these numbers 1 through 13.
Let's go 5.
5, you sure?
Yep.
Okay, so we have 5 here, and we'll place that in. So you eliminated red and 5, okay? So we'll push all of these others aside, red and 5. That's what we are focused on right now. So you had a 1 out of 2 chance. You had a 1 out of 13 chance. Now you have a 1 out of 52. Okay, you get to pick one of these cards.
Okay.
Since you're not here in person, I'll just ask you as I drop cards for you to just say stop anytime.
Stop.
Okay. So I won't look. You just remember that card. Can you remember that one?
I remember it. Yes.
Okay. So 1 out of 2, 1 out of 13, and 1 out of 52. Now, you might have noticed that I had a prediction sitting right here the whole time before we started. And inside of this envelope is a card predicting. I wrote on the back of a card predicting what color chip you would eliminate, okay? And that, of course, had to be the red. Now, it's only a 50-50, but, I mean, you still could have picked the blue, and that would have been a problem, right, for me, because the prediction would have been wrong. So that is the first thing. The second card that I wrote on the back of was actually in this deck. So somewhere in here, let me grab it. There was one card with another prediction on the back, which was the number 5, which happened to be the poker chip as well that you picked. You could have picked any one of these cards, but you picked a random one out of 52. Which card did you stop on, Bobby?
It's a red 7. I think it's a hearts.
7 of hearts. And you had to pick the 7 of hearts. 7 of hearts, right?
Yes.
If you didn't pick the 7 of hearts, then this would not have worked either.
Oh, you crazy man.
There you
Dude, what a mess. Okay, I don't know how you did all that. I promise if you're watching, none of this was staged. Like I just got on the call with him. That's crazy. I don't get you, man. I don't get how you do all this stuff. But I love you. That's awesome. Thanks, dude.
Thanks, bro.